In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Proton Mail on Chrome and set up encryption to ensure your emails remain private and secure. Whether you're already a user or just getting started with Proton Mail, these steps will guide you through managing and setting up your encryption keys. First, let's begin by opening your Chrome browser. Once you've done that, navigate to the Proton Mail website. Here, you'll enter your Proton Mail credentials in the provided fields to log in. If you're new to Proton Mail, you would need to sign up for an account first. However, this video assumes you've already got an account ready to go. Upon logging in successfully, you'll see your inbox, which is where all your emails are stored. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to configuring your encryption settings. Look for the small gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner, and click on it to open the settings menu. In this menu, you should see various options. You'll want to select either security or encryption from the list. Proton Mail places a strong emphasis on user privacy and security, so these features are integral to using the service effectively. Once in the security or encryption settings, you need to locate the section that allows you to manage your encryption keys. This is a crucial step because encryption keys are what enable you to send and receive secure emails that can only be accessed by the intended recipient. Now, in this section, you'll have the option to either generate a new encryption key or import an existing one. If you're creating a new key, follow the prompts provided by Proton Mail to complete this process. It's generally straightforward. Proton Mail will guide you with on-screen instructions to create a strong encryption key. Make sure your key is robust to prevent unauthorized access. On the other hand, if you have a pre-existing encryption key you want to use, choose the import option. You might need to browse for your key file on your computer. Once selected, Proton Mail will integrate it into your account settings. This feature is particularly useful if you've used encryption keys with other services or need to maintain consistency across multiple accounts. After completing these steps, don't forget to save the changes you've made. Look for a Save or Apply button, typically found at the bottom or top of the settings page. This ensures that all your configured settings are recorded and ready for use. With everything set up, you can now proceed to send emails, knowing each message is encrypted for added privacy. Using encryption is a powerful way to protect your information in our increasingly digital world, keeping your communication secure